Hello, Brian McCarthy here from Bold&Break, and I have a Voronoi fracture quick tip for you today in Sim 4D. We are going to look at how to change our distribution point in the Voronoi fracture. This gives you more control over where your objects are being fractured using the Voronoi fracture. Without further ado, let's get started. Stick our cube into our Voronoi fracture. Select our Voronoi fracture. Sim 4D has just generated these points for us. You have distribution types which you can change and you get different results. But if you want something super controlled, this isn't really the best way to do it. So let's turn this off and let's add a spline to our scene. Press R, hold shift to rotate so you can get a nice 90-degree angle. Press E, bring that up. Select our Voronoi fracture, bring our flower into the sources. We are going to go back and select our flower. We're going to press T. We're going to scale it down. And there you have a flower as a distribution point in your Voronoi fracture. Now, there are 4 different distribution types. I encourage you to play around with these. They all will give you different results. For now, let's use even and put the points up to 40, and you see you are getting a cleaner fracture here. And the same again if you double up the points. So basically what this is doing is it's giving you more points to fracture from, and it's getting you closer to the distribution type you've put in your source panel. Very cool as well. You can add multiple types. So let's bring in a circle and let's just select a Voronoi fracture again. Scale down our circle. You can see our circle on this side of the cube is also a new distribution point. And if we bring up our points again, it's going to add more fracture points to your Voronoi fracture. Let's just have a quick look at what this looks like when we actually add an effector, push apart. Too much, bring that down to 5. Bring our radius down to 10. You can see here you're getting full control over your points of distribution, which is very cool. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope it was helpful. Maybe give you a bit more control over your Voronoi fractures. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you and goodbye.